Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to share YouTube video on Instagram story. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your YouTube and you have to find that video that you wanted to share on Instagram story. And let's suppose that if I basically wanted to share this video here, so I will just what I have to do here, and I will just copy its link, tap on share, and then copy the link, and then open up your Instagram application, and then tap on this plus icon at the bottom here. Okay, just tap on it here and tap on story here. Okay, and now basically what you're gonna have to do here, that you have to make a story. So just make a story here and tap on stickers, and here you can see we have this link option. Tap on it and just paste the link of the video here. Tap on done here, and here you can see we have this video, and when someone will tap on it, okay, they should be able to go to that specific YouTube video. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.